Dow Jones Industrial off another 118 points to start the day at 29,279. The S&P's down 11, the NASDAQ off 34, and we'll have more coming up at 7:55 here on Utah's Morning News.
Don't believe a letter you may get saying you need to pay a property assessment fee. KSL News Radio's Mary Richards joins us live to explain. Mary?
Amanda, that letter is from a California company called Property Site, and they're trying to make you pay them for things already in the public record. People have been going to the Salt Lake County government building ready to pay this $95 fee, but it's not real. It's not an official government business. The Salt Lake County recorder says their office will never mail anyone soliciting money for this public information on their property. Live, Mary Richards, KSL News Radio.
KSL News time is 7:39. Let's check that emergency triple team traffic brought to you by Mountain America's 3% balance transfer bonus. What about now, Andy?
Well, southbound I-15 finally seeing a little bit of relief. The backups don't start till the I-84 split. They go all the way down through Clearfield. The worst of it, though, breaks up at 650 north. You're starting to get back to the speed limit closer to 700 south now. If you're on Highway 89, or if that's your normal route going south, you've got delays between SR 193 and Oak Hills Drive. You've got some westbound delays on I-84 coming out of the canyon for people maybe who don't want to exit and go south on 89 or something. I'm seeing delays for about a quarter-mile stretch at the halfway point between Highway 89 and I-15. Eric?
Well, normally it's just a 20-minute travel time northbound from Point of the Mountain on I-15 of up to the south interchange, but you're going to at least have to double that because you've got a huge backup because of an accident at 7200 south in Midvale. It's very slow the whole way from Bluffdale 146 south all the way to Midvale, and you have a backup accident as well just past 123rd south. This accident is over on the left shoulder. I-15 in Utah County, on the other hand, that looks good both directions. Heather?
A lot of people are taking State Street as an alternate to I-15 in the Salt Lake Valley, and that's created some pretty big delays from 90th south all the way up to the I-215 interchange. And then over on the west side of I-15, Bangerter Highway at a crawl through West Jordan and heading up toward the 201 freeway. Out in Tooele County, SR 36 is also at a crawl, leaving Stansbury Park, and the 201 freeway now starting to slow down through Magna. It's time to get a home energy plan from Dominion Energy and learn how you can conserve to save money on your monthly gas bill. Visit thermwise.com to get started. Heather Kelly and the KSL Traffic Center.
Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the nines. Let's head back to the Weather Center. It's Grant Wayman that's got an eye on your day.
Things clearing up, but certainly on the cool side here the next couple of days. Chilly temperatures this morning, but we'll take the sunshine today. Highs right around 40 degrees, and tomorrow we'll see sunny and 41. I'm Grant Wayman, KSL Weather Center.
Right now downtown, 24 degrees.
So we love all our KSL listeners. We love them equally. But this morning, we want to call out Brittany Eglin of Harriman. Good morning to you, Brittany. Brittany, you have 15 minutes to call and claim $500 in free gas at 801-575-1160. We're not messing around with no $50 free gas. This is $500 in free gas. That, once again, is Brittany Eglin from Harriman. $500 in free gas if you call us in 15 minutes at 801-575-1160.
Yeah, look, if it was up to the two of us in here, we'd be like Oprah Winfrey. You get free gas, and you get free gas, and you get free gas. But it really is that easy. Just go to our website at kslnewsradio.com, register to win, and then listen. Who knows? You might be next here on KSL, courtesy of our friends at Maverick. Adventure's first stop.
I want to thank the mayor of this great city, Mayor Bloomberg, for his extraordinary leadership. At a time when Washington is divided in old ideological battles, he shows us what can be achieved when we bring people together to seek pragmatic solutions. Not only has he been a remarkable leader for New York, he's established himself as a major voice in our national debate on issues like renewing our economy, educating our children, and seeking energy independence.
President Obama and Mike Bloomberg have worked together on gun safety, on education to help every child in every community get ahead, and on ways to improve youth employment through skill training and mentoring. They share a commitment to making the American dream work for everyone.
So, Mr. Mayor, I share your determination to bring this country together to finally make progress for the American people.
I'm Mike Bloomberg, candidate for president, and I approve this message.
Paid for by Mike Bloomberg 2020.
Tonight, I'm so excited for NBC Tuesday. It feels like my birthday.
First, Ellen's Game of Games knocks people down.
But in a hilarious way, like with a face full of goo.
Then This Is Us picks people up with heartwarming drama.
Ooh, critics rave this season is incredibly powerful and has fans on the edge of their seats.
And then New Amsterdam puts people back together.
With heroes fighting to save lives and heal the system.
So don't miss the gift of a perfect night.
Tonight on NBC.
Then, stay tuned for